Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use retentive timers in Xinje PLC and what's the difference between retentive and non-retentive timers in the Xinje PLC. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XC series tool and then create the new project. Go to the file, click it on new project, and which PLC model you have you can select from here and click it OK. Just take first input address for execution the timer. For example, I will take internal memory bit M10 for example and click enter, and next I will choose TMR T0 or T10. When we choose any timer we can choose T10 and K50 and click enter. And here you can also use, also in this timer you can use this K50, and after M20 also can be make for on. So no, this is M20 in this section cannot use, but in next we can use. And here also you can use only the timer of the open contact of the T10 and out coil you can choose Y0 or any other bit, no problem, and just download the program into the PLC. And this timer which I am using T10, this is the non-retentive timer, and when it's run OK, and I will make the set on, and you can see, sorry, this is will be change, take and see, and you can see as I make it on, but when it's time completed, it stops its execution. You can see now it's running. Your time is X10 is T10 is running. You can select it from here T. You can see it's now continuously running, but when I stop the execution, this time will be go to the 0, leave his value. But instead of this timer, I will change this timer T10 up to T100, T0 to T99, that's are the non-retentive timers, and T100 up to T200, that's the retentive timers. And also you can see this is just only, what's this, sorry, this is not downloaded, we have to be download again. First select the timer and after you can download, but this also we not change this one. This is we have to be T100, we have to be choose. Okay, and again download to the PLC. This is basically trig timer, and you have to be give the only just signal, and you can see this is now, maybe I will stop this one, and after T100 when we go to the T100, 60, 70, T90, and this is the T100, and this is now you can see when I stop the execution, it will stop the execution there. This is 37 milliseconds are running, and again when I started, so you can see time started from the T30, and when I stop the execution, it will not leave his time, and also your timer will be not stop, it's continuously on. So how we can stop this timer? Just we have to be again stop this timer, and we have to be make one reset button, because of without reset this timer will be not reset. So just click it on here and go to the view or search edit. In edit you can see the insert row. Also you can make it here, and also you can make it here, this nothing issue, but I will make it here. we will choose any internal memory M20 for example, and we will use this one reset button, reset T100, and click enter, and after again download to the PLC and make it online the PLC when it's run cycle running. And after, now you can see I will make it the on, and you can see your timer is now started. But as I stop this PLC execution, but timer is not stopped. As I give the signal at the M20, after you can see your timer is go to reset. Now also you can physical address input X0, X2 or any sensor. This is how used Jenny. For an example, one time you set for one conveyor, it will be continuously running, and you say that will be when time completed, it will be stop. But still if signal not coming, after this is not reset, and you must need the signal. Also you can use a push, or also you can a limit switch or sensor, you can place it here. After your timer will be reset, otherwise it will be not leave his value and also not go to the reset. It will be, and for example from where you like to be stopped, 37 value now passed, but you like to be stop this one, it will be stop and not leave his value. So this is called any retentive timer. It start from 37. Other timers will be leave his value, but this timer will be not leave the value. And for an example, this is run cycle. We can stop this one PLC, and also we can run the PLC, and after you can see this is, it will be leave the value, otherwise not leave the value. Again start this one. I can 43 I stopped, but it will be not on. It will be start from the 43. Again make it on, and you can see now your timer is on, but it will be not stop. Once you not give the signal at M20, you can see I give the signal, now it's finishes value. So hope guys you will be understand about this retentive and non-retentive timer. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.